Okay, so I just wanted to show you what I'm bringing for lunch. It's just chicken, rice, Brussels sprouts, orange chips, and I'm gonna put some water in here. I'm working a full-time shift, and because of that, I need to have a lot of food and have food for lunch and dinner. Actually, it's dinner because I'm going in at 3:30. Hi guys, it is 1:43. I'm gonna go pick up my son from preschool before 2 o'clock and then drop him off at my mom's and then be there to get to work by 3:30. I hope everyone's doing well. I didn't really get to talk to you guys before, but I am doing a full shift, so that's like an 8-hour shift, which is something I never do. I picked up this shift. I needed to pick up a few hours because I gave quite a few of my shifts away and I haven't been working that much because I went on vacation. We went to Japan. So picked up an 8-hour shift. And so here we go. It should be a good shift. It's night shift. Night shift. I like night shift. The only thing I don't like as much about night shift, I don't like really cleaning the plane so much, but I do like the night shift vibe. And you don't have to be in the airline industry to understand the night shift vibe. I mean, it's the same in the healthcare industry and different places like that. People that work night shift, they're not as anal. They're just more chill. They still work hard and they still get things done, but they don't need to, prove things as much as the day shift people seem to be. So it should be a good shift. Hi guys, it is about 5 minutes before I need to walk in. I need to be in at 3:30 and it is 3:28, so I'm gonna probably start walking in around 3:23, get there in time. It is a hot day. I did not wear shorts because I know I'm working until late tonight, so I just made sure I brought lots of water, and I'm gonna stay hydrated. I am loader today, and the plane should be coming in about 5 minutes. We're just waiting for one more bag. Once that bag comes, we can close it up. finish the video I ended up we did 5 flights, cleaned 3 planes, and then did 2 turnarounds where we unloaded and loaded. And it was a long night. I'm not used to doing a full shift. I love my little 2-hour shifts. But I got through the night, and I really didn't get to film that much because it started getting a little bit busy. But I hope you guys still enjoyed the vlog no matter what. And I will talk to you, and I will see you in the next video.